Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI Nova 10 to an Android device. You need to start by opening Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on HUAWEI. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and download this free app from this developer. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. From here, you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of your HUAWEI and tap on Receive at the bottom over here on an Android, next to Send. Then select one of those options, yes I agree or no thanks. Now click on Close this window and select all of your files that you wish to send from HUAWEI by clicking on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and selecting Send over here. It will take some time though to transfer all of my files, so I will go with only this one. Click on Send and tap on Got It. Now finally we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and click on Receive. We have a lot of time to do it. Or we can scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on this scanning icon over here. Pick one of those options while using the app or only this time. And point your camera at the QR code. Now as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!